Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2017 Hyundai IONIQ 1.6 h-GDi Premium DCT, finished in elegant black with a comfortable and efficient cloth interior. From the side, the coupe-like silhouette improves airflow and gives the IONIQ a refined, flowing shape. At the rear, the IONIQ keeps things sleek and functional with integrated LED lighting and a sculpted tailgate. Powered by a 1.6-liter petrol engine paired with an electric motor, the IONIQ Hybrid offers smooth automatic gear changes through the DCT transmission, balancing efficiency and performance. At the front, the IONIQ features Hyundai's signature grille, sharp headlight design, and clean aerodynamic lines for a smooth, efficient ride. Inside, the cabin is well laid out, spacious, and equipped with everything you need. You get heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and Hyundai's Infinity sound system, delivering comfort and quality throughout. In terms of technology, the IONIQ includes navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and a clean infotainment system, with intuitive controls, everything at your fingertips. In the back, there's plenty of legroom and comfort for passengers, making it a smart option for both everyday use and longer trips. In the boot, the IONIQ provides generous cargo space, ideal for commuting, weekends away, or daily errands. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161-399-1629, quote registration DS67HEV to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.